CB82B, Science and Education Suite. Exquisite set storage box. Rich display of accessories. Use imagination, any combination. Expand thinking and cultivate hands-on skills. After successful frequency matching, you can start manipulating the model. Download and open the app. There are various different sets of apps available. Open the corresponding package to check at any time. Assembly instructions for all modular shapes that can be assembled in the set. You can also use the app for control. Once successfully connected, you can start manipulating the model. Next, demonstrate the programming function. The lower column is the programming instruction module. Drag the programming module for programming. Click on the upper right corner to run programming. The model starts programming. Click on the Save button in the upper right corner. Can save current programming. CB82B, Science and Education Suite.